Most traders I work with are spending all their energy chasing new leads, running ads, doing quotes, following up cold prospects, when the fastest 30K they'll ever make is sitting right inside their existing customer base. Look at this. This is one of my clients, a Sparky in Brisbane. He added $107,000 in revenue without adding a single new customer to his business. And I want to show you exactly how he did it. Today, I'm going to show you the exact strategy. 3 moves, all free, trade businesses across Australia are using to pull an extra 30K in revenue within 60 days. No ad spend, no new leads. And stick around because I'm going to build one of these systems live so you can just copy it. And look, I'm not talking about dodgy upsells or pressuring anyone. I'm talking about genuinely serving your current customers better, so they'll actually thank you for it. Here's what I see in almost every trade business I look at. You do a job for a customer. Maybe it's a bathroom reno, maybe it's a rewire. Whatever your trade is, you're doing a great job. The customer's happy. You send the invoice. They pay, and then nothing. That customer disappears into a spreadsheet somewhere. And you're back to square one, chasing the next lead. The average trade business in Australia gets about 70% of its revenue from new customers, and maybe 30% from referrals. But the top performing businesses that I work with, that ratio, it's flipped. They're getting 60 to 70% of their revenue from their existing customer base. Think about what that means for your business. No ad spend, no quoting for tire kickers, just higher margins because those customers already trust you. So why isn't everyone doing this? Because nobody teaches you tradies a system. You were taught how to do your trade, not how to maximize your customer lifetime value. And that's what I'm going to fix right now. Strategy 1. And this one will make you money fast. It's what I call the 30-day callback system. Here's how it works. Every customer who's had a job completed in the last 12 months gets a call, not a text, not an email, a phone call. And what do you say? Hey, Steve, it's Mitch from XYZ Electrical. Just checking in. How's everything holding up from the last job we did? Any issues at all? That's it. That's the opening. You're not selling a thing. You're checking in. And what happens next is magic. Because 3 out of 10 of those customers will say something like, actually, now that you mention it, I've been meaning to get someone to look at X. You've just generated a warm lead with 0 marketing costs. And because they already trust you, the close rate on these is north of 80%. If you've got 200 past customers, which most of you do, and you call all of them over the next 30 days, you'll generate work. I've seen this add 15 to 40K in a single month, depending on your average job value. And by the way, I've got the exact script plus 2 more of these templates as a free download. Link's going to be in the description. It's called the 30K Revenue Kit. Strategy 2 is about reframing what you offer, building out a service menu. See, most tradies have a narrow view of what their customers actually want from them. You're an electrician. You do electrical work. You're a plumber, so you do plumbing. But your customers, they don't think in trades. They think in problems. And they'd rather give all of their money to one person they trust than go and find 3 different contractors. So here's what I want you to do. And I'm going to build one right now so you can see exactly what this looks like. So as you can see, I have headed to a web browser of course. Over on the left-hand side, I'm going to click the design tool. We're going to write service menu as our project name, keep it in high fidelity, go create. That'll open itself up. And there's only 2 things we've got to do now. First things first is we need to paste a nice little prompt, which I'm going to include in the session notes for you. You can make some changes to this about how you want this to feel, but ultimately this is a pretty concise prompt to build out your service menu. Drop in some images, hit send, and then this thing's going to get built out for you. So it's going to create me 3 variations on a single canvas. This means that I can actually choose the one that I would like to work with. It gives you choice as opposed to just a single output. All right, so I've got 3 different examples here, nice and simple. This is something that we can now send out to our email database or anyone that may be interested in knowing what different services we actually have to offer them. We've got photos of the team. We've got the logo built out. Took less than 3 minutes. So simple, so easy, done. Now, if I want to utilize one of these designs, I would simply let it know which one that I'm happy with. And then I'd come down here, I'd go share and export as a PDF. That's it. You send this to every past customer with a note that says, hey, a lot of our clients don't realize we do all of these things. Thought it might be useful. See, one of my clients, a Sparky on the Gold Coast, did exactly this and picked up 22K of new work in the first 3 weeks, all from existing customers who just didn't know he offered those services. This exact template is in the 30K revenue kit. You can download it for free. Link will be below. Just swap in your own services. Strategy 3, it's the big one. This is what separates trade businesses that grind from trade businesses that scale. Annual maintenance agreements. You offer a customer a reoccurring plan, say $500 to $2,000 per year, depending on the trade, where you actually come back quarterly or biannually to inspect, maintain, and handle small issues before they become big ones. For the customer, they get peace of mind and priority service. For you, you get predictable reoccurring revenue, a reason to be in their home regularly, and natural opportunities to spot additional work. Let me run the numbers. If you sign up, just say 30 customers at $1,000 per year annually, that is $30,000 locked in, reoccurring, predictable, before you chase a single new lead. And see, here's what most traders miss. During those maintenance visits, you'll identify additional work that typically adds another 30 to 50% on top. So your 30K becomes $39,000 to $45,000 in real revenue. This is how you get off that hamster wheel. So here's how I'd execute this if I was in your boots. Weeks 1 to 2, I want you to pull your customer list from the last 24 months and start the 30-day callbacks, 10 calls a day. Week 3, build out your service menu, and I've already showed you how. Send to the full customer list via email and text. Weeks 4 to 6, I want you to start pitching the annual maintenance agreement to every customer you speak with. Week 7 to 8, review, refine, and systemize. Train your team, establish the KPIs. If you do this, genuinely do it, don't just think about it. You'll have 30K in additional revenue locked away in the next 60 days. And I've seen it happen dozens of times. All right, everything I just showed you, the callback script, the service menu, and the maintenance agreement outline, I've gone and put this into a free download called the 30K Revenue Kit. The link's in the description. Grab it. Start making those calls this week. And I'll be honest, if you're sitting there thinking, this makes sense, but I need help actually building this into my business, that's literally what we do at UpScale. We help trade business owners build systems exactly like this, so the revenue grows without you having to work more hours. There's a link in the description to book a call with my team. And even if you never work with us, go make those phone calls this week. Seriously, the first 5K, it's sitting in your phone right now. And if you got value from this, hit subscribe. I'm putting out content like this specifically for tradie business owners. Maybe drop a comment. Tell me what trade you are in. I genuinely love to know who's watching. I'll see you in the next one.